Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this short video I will show you which fuse to check for the vacuum pump motor. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Vacuum pump motor fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood next to the battery right here. To lift this cover, you'll have two clips, one here, one here. You want to press onto both of these to unlock it and then lift the cover up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check for the vacuum pump is fuse number M3, which is a 20 amp fuse located here. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.